Hi, good morning everyone. Actually, right now I'm in Yantai, and our factory now we make special things for our seafood exporter. This is before the grading machine, we have to solution for that chilling shrimps. Na? So this is that. I will run this machine. I'll show you. This is the simple press here. The machine will run. Here, see. Here the water will come. Pull the water, and if the water flow more, then fish can drop from here. The water tank is this, then shrimps will come here, and this is the ice chamber. This is the ice chamber, and the shrimps is coming from there to this way. If the shrimps is, I will go with that. If shrimps is more, coming more, na, so this can be make a smoother, means like a linely, they come here. And this chamber for that ice, and from here, the people can arrange the shrimps, and this is go to the grading machine, grading machine. After this, the grading machine coming out. So this is new thing, and this is best solution for the chilling water who is interested to do their shrimp with the chill water grading system. So this is very good. The high strength blue conveyor is there, and the water all dropping from here. This is very good. The product with the dumper. Dumper is there, I will show you. Please come. This dumper. This is our factory in Yantai. So this is small factory. We have one more factory. So just today, I'm going here. This is the dumper. The labor are there for the shrimps. They take in shrimps, then dumping if it's too hard. So one time, this is the capacity, sir, for this one time?
660 liter.
600 liter.
660.
660 liter. This dumpler with the hydraulic system. Single switch is auto dumping to that grading machine or the fish washing machine. So this is very well and very good working. And this is new for you. If you're interested, I will give you more discount and you can take this our machine, especially. But this is really, this order for the Ecuador customer, and now they need this, so we just manufacture according their choice. We will, this is our factory. There are also this type of conveyor for the sinks. Here the special sinks is coming out, and here like a box system is there. Can you show inside? Here the box system, if you dislike, the sinks will come and like a can spread. So this divider is there, the conveyor with the divider, and the grading machine now working, going on. Our engineers are working very well. So please give us order, we'll give you a discount and good product quality will supply to you.